This is a Varsity Squad world premiere. World premiere. Varsity Squad. We break records, ribs, and $100 bills.
Just plain pet bitches with some sick aim. Cool beans though, 10 deep jeans ho. Stampede fitted in the range with a knitted. No gimmick, real time, real hard. Real words, elegant, a piece of art. No famous name vouching, I'm still the shit. Nigga first couple songs, no guest appearances. Now you sick man, I ain't taking stabs. I'm just taking names, then I'm kicking ass. I never be retro like a cool kid. Two songs, look at what I did. Me and my nigga Wale let them suckers pass till we fed up and wet up. When niggas keep they swag to the heart.
Varsity Squad, we break records.